Thank you very much, Ashwarya, for giving me this opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. Yet another time, a very warm welcome and lovely good evening to each one of you. It's a sheer pleasure for me to be here and announce the awards. And dignitaries, welcome on my side to you also. Thank you very much. You spared your seats and you are standing here and doing the needful. So, moving toward the awards, Global Award, we are doing it. 14th EEF Global Environment Award 2024. We have senior dignitaries on stage. And ladies and gentlemen, I'll be needing your claps, your round of applause while I'll be announcing the names here. The category is Platinum. The award is Global Environment Award 2024. And the award goes to Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, Mr. Rajiv Kumar, Chief General Manager, Head Environment. Congratulations. देखिए तालियों की एक खासियत होती है, ये बाजार में नहीं मिलती और सिर्फ खुशियों में बजाई जाती हैं, तो हम चाहें भी तो तालियां नहीं खरीद के ला सकते. Many congratulations, Mr. Rajiv Kumar, Chief General Manager, Head Environment. Thank you. And for the award felicitation, it's a sheer pleasure for me to have on stage Mr. Anil Rajdan, Dr. Balyan, and Dr. Anil Garg, and ma'am to you also. And the next category is Gold. And the award is Global Environment Award 2024. And the award goes to Ganda Ramadan Iron ORS Mines Block B, Odisha Mining Corporation Limited, Mr. Priya Rajan Raut, Mr. Tapas Rajan Swine, Senior Manager, both. Many congratulations for getting the award for Global Environment Award 2024 in the category of Gold. Many congratulations. Award and rewards and gifts always bring a smile on your face. Moving on next. Again, the category is Gold. Pictures are lifetime moments. It should be captured well. I'll wait. Congratulations. And the next category is Gold. And the award is Global Environment Award 2024. And it goes to Jindal Stainless Limited, Mr. Priya Ranjan Raut, Mr. Tapas Ranjan Raut, Assistant General Manager and Senior Manager. We are humans and error are part of our life. So the list I'm having, maybe it has some correction. I take the apology for the same. Jindal Stainless Limited, please kindly come on stage to receive the Gold Award for Global Environment Award 2024. Moving on next, the next category is Platinum, and the award category is Global Environment Award 2024. And again it goes to Jindal Stainless Limited, Dr. Loknath Sahu, Mr. Pabitra Kumar Patra, Manager Environment, Executive Environment. Can we have you? Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and let him witness the gratitude and the warmth of the stage. And for the next set of award, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be requesting my co-host Aishwarya to kindly come on the podium and handle the same. Thank you.
Thank you, Shweta. Thank you, Shweta. And let us now move on to the EEF Global Sustainability Awards 2024. These are the 14th EEF Global Sustainability Awards. And in this category, we honor the champions of sustainability whose groundbreaking efforts are setting new standards and inspiring change with the prestigious Global Sustainability Awards. And the first category of award is the Platinum category. And the award, the Global Sustainability Award 2024, goes to Tata Capital Limited. I'll call upon on stage Mr. Manish Chaurasia, the Chief Operating Officer of the company, to please come and receive the award. Congratulations, sir. A big round of applause for Tata Capital Limited. And continuing with the Platinum category awards. So recognizing the outstanding achievements of individuals and organizations dedicated to creating a more sustainable and resilient future for all. The award goes to Azon Energy Solutions Private Limited, and I call upon Dr. S.K. Radhakrishnan, Managing Director of the company, to please come and receive the award. Please, a big round of applause for Azon Energy Solutions Private Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, these are all achievers, big achievers who have done excellent work in the field of sustainability and environment. Please, let's give them a big round of applause. Let us not hide away our claps. Everybody deserves here. Congratulations, sir. And continuing with the Platinum category, the Global Sustainability Award 2024 is also being presented to IDE Technologies India Private Limited. I call upon Mr. Nayan Shah, Sales and Marketing Director, on the stage and receive the award. Please give a big round of applause for IDE Technologies India Private Limited. So as we strive for a better tomorrow, these Global Sustainability Awards shine a spotlight on the innovators and leaders making a significant impact in the realm of global sustainability. Next is the Gold category, and the Global Sustainability Award is also being presented to Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India Private Limited. I call upon Mr. Satish Dangi, General Manager Plant Engineering, to please come on the stage and receive the award. So a big round of applause for Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India Private Limited. So celebrating excellence in our global efforts towards sustainability. Recognizing outstanding contributions in the field of sustainability. And the next award in this category is the Platinum category award. So the Global Sustainability Award 2024 in the Platinum category is also being presented to National Capital Region Transport Corporation. I call upon on stage Mr. Mahendra Kumar, Director Electric and Rolling Stock, and Mr. Adesh Kumar, GM Electrical and Traction, on the stage to receive the award. A big round of applause for National Capital Region Transport Corporation, NCRTC. Congratulations, sir. And the next category of awards are the 14th EEF Global Waste Met Awards 2024. My colleague Shweta will announce these ones.
Thank you, Aishwarya, and I'm sure Everybody is having great time here while we are cherishing the wonderful, wonderful award ceremony. So now is the time I'll be announcing the next category, that is 14th EEF Global Waste Met Award 2024. And the first category of the award is gold. And the award goes to, the category is Global Waste Met Award 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, the award goes to Sigma Global Environ Solution Private Limited, Mr. Sudesh Pal. Can we have you, Territory Business Development Manager? Many congratulations. Moving on next. Our next category is platinum. And in the same Global Waste Met Award 2024, the award goes to Reenergy Dynamics Private Limited, Mr. J.C. Shiv, Mr. Rohit Kaushik. Kindly come on stage to receive your award. GM Keynote Assistant Vice President. So this is not the right time to feel lethargic. Everybody, please show some energy. We have arranged tea and coffee for all of you. We'll do the cheers with our cups and enjoy our awards. Congratulations. The category Global Waste Met Award 2024. The award is platinum and it goes to International Academy of Environmental Sanitation and Public Health, Dr. N.B. Majumdar. It's a sheer pleasure to announce your name here, sir. Chairman, International Academy of Environmental Sanitation and Public Health. So I feel delighted when you shared your knowledge in the panel discussion, and it's a sheer pleasure for me to announce your name. So ladies and gentlemen, please stay tuned with us. Few more awards. And now I'll be requesting Aishwarya to kindly come here and do the needful.
Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to now announce the other set of awards that we have. And the next category of award is the Platinum Category Award. And this is the award for Global Safety Sustainability Champions Award 2024. And this award is being given to a company that excels in integrating safety and sustainability into their operations. And they have implemented exemplary practice in ensuring sustainability and also workplace safety as well. And this award goes to Oil India Limited. I'd call upon on stage Mr. Bitopan Das, Senior Engineering at the company, to please come and receive the award. So a big round of applause for Oil India Limited. Congratulations, sir. Now moving on to the Water Awards, the EF Global Water Awards 2024. The first category of award is the Platinum category, and this is the Global Water Conservation Award 2024. And it is recognizing those who have made exceptional contributions to preserving and managing our planet's most vital resource, that is water. So I call upon on stage the team from National Innovation in Climate Resilient Agriculture on stage. I understand that Dr. Ashutosh was supposed to come in, but he's not been keeping well. So do we have anybody from his behalf? Okay. So now let me announce the Gold Category Award, the Global Water Innovator Award 2024, that is celebrating those who have introduced groundbreaking technological solutions to advance water management and conservation. And this award goes to IDE Technologies India Private Limited. I call upon on stage Mr. Nayan Shah, Sales and Marketing Director, to receive the award. And let us give a big round of applause for the company's excellence to advance water management and conservation. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, sir. The next is the Platinum Category Award and that is the Global Innovation in Water Technology Award 2024. And this award is being presented to L&T Construction, Water and Effluent Treatment. I would call upon on stage Mr. S. Dakshinamurthy, GM and Head Large Water Systems. Thank you so much, sir. We heard your presentation as well, and it was really very enlightening and very impressive. Thank you so much, sir. And this award is honoring the trailblazers in water innovation and whose creative approaches and pioneering technologies are transforming how we address global water challenges. So congratulations to L&T Construction, Water and Effluent Treatment IC. For the next set of awards, over to you, Shweta.
No, sir, a few more. So please keep your patience alive. I will not take much time. And there are a few more awards. Ladies and gentlemen, now is the time. Global Water Project of the Year Award 2024 in the category of Platinum goes to L&T Construction, Water and Effluent Treatment IC, Mr. Rajsekar, DGM. Kindly come on stage. This is your time to get the award. And the next category is Global Breakthrough Technology Company of the Year Award 2024. In the category of Platinum, the award goes to RWS North, BU Wet IC, L&T Constructions, Mr. R.K. Jain, JGM and Head. Kindly come on stage. It's always treat for eyes to see happy and talented faces around who are putting their hands together and cherishing the moment where the other person is getting awarded and rewarded. Moving on next. Global Wastewater Project of the Year 2024 in the category of Gold again goes to L&T Construction, Water and Effluent Treatment IC, Mr. R.K. Jain, JGM and Head. Kindly come back on stage to receive your award. I would request you to kindly stay back. I have just gone through. In the category of Platinum, the award is Global Water Company of the Year Award. Again, it is L&T Construction, Water and Effluent Treatment IC, Mr. R.K. Jain, JGM and Head. Many, many, many congratulations. Wow, what a wonderful moment. So, majorly you done the hat trick here, sir. Mr. Jain will throw a party, a wonderful party. Jokes apart. Moving on next, ladies and gentlemen, this is the last award, and I'm sure it is more special than the others. The Global Water Leadership Award 2024 category is Gold goes to L&T Construction, Water and Effluent Treatment IC, Mr. S. Dakshinamurthy, GM and Head, Large Water Systems, South and East Business Unit. What a moment this is. Everybody, please give a huge round of applause. So we just witnessed few talented people coming on stage, receiving their award, and more than them, eligible and talented people giving away the awards. It's a sheer pleasure to witness here. देश की राजधानी दिल्ली में आज के इस दिन में आप सभी ने अपनी उपस्थिति से चार चांद लगाए हैं. ये मेरा सौभाग्य है कि मैं हिंदी में आपसे अनुवाद करते हुए आप सभी का शुक्रिया अदा कर रही हूँ. एंड अ स्पेशल थैंक टू ऑल द डिग्निटरीज. I don't deserve to stand there and announce your name. It's a sheer pleasure for me to be here. Thank you very much, Dr. Anil Garg, for providing us this opportunity to be here and host on